Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best quail cages is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your backyard flock. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting out, choosing the right quail cage can significantly impact your bird's health, happiness, and productivity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of quail cages, exploring various options to help you find the perfect home for your feathered friends. Number 5. Yaheetech 47-inch Rolling Bird Cage, Black. This Yaheetech bird cage provides a comfortable and safe living space for your feathered friends. It's designed with a focus on both security and ample room for movement. The main door opens in two ways, making it easy to access the cage. There are also supplementary doors for feeding and watering, preventing escapes. The cage features wheels for easy movement around your home. The wheels also have brakes to keep it securely in place once it's positioned. The rolling stand includes a shelf for storing bird supplies. This helps you keep everything organized and within reach. Cleaning is a breeze with the pull-out litter tray. The grate above the tray keeps the birds from directly touching the waste. What we like. This cage features a convenient rolling stand, allowing you to move your birds around easily. The safety door design ensures your birds stay secure while you interact with them. If you have limited space or like to give your birds a change of scenery, you should consider this cage. What people say. Rolls smoothly, wheel locks work. Drawer to clean slides out easily. Doors work well. Bottom shelf is sturdily attached. I love how the door comes down so she has flat front porch to the cage instead of having to try to balance on a thin door. The base is pretty sturdy and I like that the wheels lock. There is also plenty of room to store food and supplies on rack below. Number 4. YITAHOME Metal 4 Tiers Small Animal Cage. The cage features a plastic platform and stairs wrapped in nylon. This design enhances anti-slip performance, ensuring your pet's safety. It also protects their delicate feet. The door lock is specially designed for small animals. It keeps your ferrets and chinchillas safe inside. Even clever critters can't open it, offering more security than standard latches. The guinea pig cage has an openable door on the ceiling. This makes cleaning easier and allows you to interact with your pets. It's a convenient feature for both you and your furry friends. This Critter Nation cage has 4 tiers, providing ample space for multiple small animals. The wide, anti-slip ramps expand the play and resting areas. It's perfect for various small pets. The hamster cage includes 4 360 degrees rotating universal wheels for easy movement. You can effortlessly move it indoors or outdoors. There's also a storage rack for pet accessories. What we like. The cage's anti-slip design and secure door lock keep your small pet safe and sound. The spacious interior provides ample room for multiple animals to play and rest. If you are looking for a secure and spacious home for your small pets, you should consider this cage. What people say. The cage is well designed and easy to assemble. The cage has a good size for the quails. The cage is sturdy and well built. Number 3. Yaheetech Stackable Breeder Bird Cage. This bird cage features a detachable rolling stand with 4 swivel wheels, 2 of which have brakes. This design allows you to move it around with ease. The upper cage can also be used separately. The cage is designed with a dividing grate, creating 2 separate living areas. Each section includes perches, feeders, and doors. You can also remove the divider to create a larger space for your birds. Made from sturdy wrought iron with a tough, hammered paint coating, this cage is built to last. It's safe for your pets and can withstand their chewing. With a suitable size and wire spacing, this cage is ideal for small birds like lovebirds and parakeets. It provides a comfortable and secure home for your feathered friends. The cage features a waterproof metal finish and a slide-out tray for easy cleaning. The grate at the bottom keeps the birds from walking in their droppings, making maintenance simple. What we like. This cage is designed with a divided breeding system, perfect for housing multiple birds separately. The detachable rolling stand makes it easy to move and clean. If you like to breed birds or need to separate them, you should consider this cage. What people say. The cage is well designed and easy to assemble. The cage is sturdy and the quail seem to like it. The feeder and waterer are easy to access and keep clean. Number 2. Heavy-duty spring-loaded pet cage door latch. This set includes 20 galvanized steel latches with a rust-proof coating. They come with J-clips, perfect for securing wire mesh cages and coops. This ensures your pets are safe and secure. The adjustable tension spring hooks prevent pets from escaping. This heavy-duty latch is designed to withstand chewing, providing a secure enclosure for your animals. It gives you peace of mind. No tools are needed for installation. Simply hook the spring latch onto your rabbit hutch or bird cage. The pull ring design makes it easy to lock. It's quick and convenient. The smooth edges of this latch protect small animals. It's weatherproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This ensures the safety of your pets. This chew-proof and rust-resistant cage door latch is perfect for various pet enclosures. If you are not satisfied, you can get a 100% refund. It's built to last. What we like. These latches are designed to be escape-proof, keeping your pet securely inside. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install latch to secure your pet's enclosure, you should consider these latches. What people say. The cage is well designed. The cage is easy to assemble. The cage is sturdy. Number 1. Farm Innovators Quail Rails, 20-spot small egg trays. Introducing the Farm Innovators Quail Rails, a 6-pack of replacement rails. These rails are designed to replace the standard ones in your Farm Innovators 3200 automatic egg turner. Please note, these trays are an accessory. They are designed for use with the Model 3200 automatic egg turner and compatible with Model 2100 or 2200 incubators. The egg turner and incubator are sold separately. Each rail has 20 small egg cups, offering more space than standard trays. This design allows you to hatch up to 120 chicks at once, maximizing your hatching potential. Setting up is easy. Simply place the trays on the egg turner, put the turner in the incubator, and plug it in. It's a straightforward process to get your eggs turning. Cleaning is a breeze. The egg rails snap out of the turner and incubator. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleaning efficient and convenient. What we like. These quail rails offer a high egg capacity, allowing you to hatch up to 120 chicks at once. Installation is simple, and the rails are easy to clean. If you are looking to hatch a large number of quail eggs, you should consider these rails. What people say. The cage is well designed. The cage is easy to assemble. The cage is a good size for quail. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.